Minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning, students. Hope all of you are fine and in the best condition of health and iman. Grade 5, this is your English lesson, and in this lesson today we will do grammar skills. As you know, dear students, exercise number 5, unit number 5, we are doing adjectives, position types and formation. We are doing nowadays. And yesterday we did page number 20, 19 and 20. And today we will do page number 21 and 22. And on page number 21, there is adjective suffixes. Adjective suffixes. Today we will discuss about adjective suffixes. You can make some nouns into adjectives by adding suffixes. Suffix means extra letters at the end of the word. Extra letters at the end of the word. For example, if there will be one word, then you have to add extra word and you have to make a new word. For example, if there will be use, the word is use, then you are going to add, or you will add less, then it will become use less. Clear? You can make some nouns into adjectives by adding suffixes, extra letters at the end of the word. For example, you can make the noun noise into an adjective by taking off the e and adding y to make noisy. Clear? To make noisy. Now, number 2, adjective suffixes. Able, fashion. Able will be added, then it will become fashionable. Comfort, comfortable. able is added, then a new word became fashionable. Clear? Comfortable. Now, al is there, nature. Then al is added, it became natural. Accident, al is added, then it became natural. Clear? Accidental, al is added. Music, al is added, musical. Then ous, danger, dangerous. Then fame, ous is added, famous. Then adventure, adventure, ous is added, adventurous. Y, health, healthy. Cream, creamy. Mess, messy. Clear? Now, IC, for example, science, scientific. Athlete, athletic. IVE, action, active. Administration, administrative. Full, with, beautiful, beauty, beautiful. Skill, skillful. Less, without. Homeless, powerless. Clear? Dear students, what we have to do? Dear students, we added extra words at the end of the word to become a new word. Suffix means extra word will be added at the end of the word to make a new word, then it will be adjective suffix. Clear? Now, dear students, open your books and come to page number 21, part E. Grammar help. You can change nouns and verbs into adjective by adding suffixes like less, full, ish, ish, ous, ing, y, able, ive, en, ed, al, ic, ly and ible. Clear? Now, part E. Complete the rhyme by adding an adjective that has a suffix. The word in bold will help you. Now, the word in bold will help you. Number 1. A girl with a smile. Smile has a smiling face. Smiling face. Number 2, a town in the mountains is a mountainous place. Number 3, a doctor of medicine is a medical man. A plan you can't use is a useless plan. Number 5, a car full of rust is a rusty machine. Number 6, people go to the tropics for a tropical scene. Number 7, please boil the water. I would like boiled eggs for breakfast. Boiled. 8, don't think only of yourself. Don't be selfish to me. Number 8, selfish will come. Number 9, a face full of sorrow is a sorrowful sight. Sorrowful will come here. Number 10, I shall always remember that memorable night. Memorable will come. Now in number 1, smiling. Number 2, mountainous. Number 3, medical. Number 4, useless. Number 5, rusty. Number 6, tropical. Number 7, boiled. Number 8, selfish. Number 9, sorrowful. And number 10, memorable. Now F. Use the suffixes in the box to change the following nouns into adjectives. ISH, OUS, ING, Y, ABLE, IVE, ICLY, EDEN. The words are given in the box and we have to add these suffixes with the given words, and we have to change them into adjectives. Now, how many different adjectives can you make with each noun? Now, dear students, number 1, number A, expense. You have to choose IVE, then it will be expensive. Scene, then you have to make scientific. Or scenic, SCEN. Scene is there, B, scene, and you have to add IC, it will be scenic. Number C, comfortable. You have to add ING or ABLE, comfortable or comforting. Comfortable, ABLE you can add or you can add ING. D, friend, friendly. LY will be added, then it will be friendly. E, wood, woody, WOODY, woody. Care, CARE, care. E will be excluded and ING will be included or added. For example, caring, CARING. G, poison, poisoned or poisonous, POISONOUS or ED will become at the end of the poison. Number storm, stormy. I, fool, foolish. Then bore, then bored. Clear? Then use some of the adjectives you made above to help you fill in this crossword puzzle. Now we have to make crossword puzzle. For example, the first one is selfish. SF is there, selfish. Then number 2, EESF is there. It will be expensive. EXPENSIVE. Clear? Then FREE, free. There will be free. Then stormy, STORMY, stormy. Then friendly, FRIENDLY, friendly. Dear students, then woody, WOODY, woody. Then foolish. Then poisoned. Then helpful. Okay, number 3. Here are the clues for the 4 other adjectives in the crossword. From the crossword, you have to take words and you have to complete these sentences. For example, A, The Selfish Giant is a story by Oscar Wilde. Clear? Selfish giant is the story. Selfish will come here. B. The shop has a free gift wrapping service. Free gift wrapping service. C. My favorite color is red. D. Peter is very helpful. He makes the beds and sweeps the floor for his mother. Dear students, you have to do page number 21, 22 and 23 of your grammar skill books. And you have to learn the definition of adjective suffixes and adjective. This is your today's task. Thank you.